Alright, this is the mini Lego table that I'm going to show you how to build. I built this for my daughter for Christmas, and my son Ethan helped build it. Alright, we're going to go in and we're going to start with the pieces that we need to build. Alright, so here you go. These are the pieces that you need all laid out. And here what I'm doing is I'm in the process of marking right here where the legs go. And I'm going to drill a pilot hole right here, and here's the leg, the bottom, and it's going to go right in the corner, just like this. And I'm going to drill a screw right through the bottom, and I add one to each of the four corners. Here it is with the pilot holes drilled. This is to hold the legs in place. And here I am using the flat surface of my table saw to put the screws in. And here you can see the screws have been installed and the glue is drying. I let this set overnight, make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, I'm using my Kreg jig to drill the holes. And this is going to be the bottom skirt for the top. And this is it attached. I just glued it up and drilled the holes. Or screwed the holes, sorry about that. You can see the other side here. Next, I'm clamping everything up. I want to make sure it was a nice, good, tight fit after I screwed everything and put the top on, and just make sure everything is nice and fit. Next, I'm putting the rails on. This is for the drawer. Here you can see I'm putting a side piece on. This is kind of an after-the-thought modification. This is to help guide the drawer in. I realized I needed this, so it's not an original picture with all the pieces that you need. Sorry about that. You can kind of see how I've put the rails on and everything's kind of attaching here. Looks really good. Next, you can see I have put a bottom brace right here. I didn't have that before, and I'm just putting some wood putty in there to cover up the holes. Next, you can kind of see some of the detail inside. I put additional little blocks on and little details. This is for the top to hold the Lego plate in. I left probably 1/8 of an inch lip. And this is my son Ethan. He's helping sand the mini Lego table. He wanted to contribute. And he also actually drilled some pilot holes using the Kreg jig. You got to start them while they're young. He did a great job. And here you can see I'm assembling the drawer. Here's the bottom. And here's the top piece that's going to sit in right here. I have a little groove. Just sits in just like that. And here I'm outside spraying this. It's coming together really nicely. And then there's the drawer. Here's the other side. It turned out really good. Well, my shadow's in the way there. And here's the final shot with the Lego plate and the little Lego knob that I have installed. It's sitting in my daughter's room and she loved it. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Thanks!